In the chaos of everyday life, imagine being transported to a place of effortless calm. Introducing Lumenate Nova, the consciousness-shifting light mask from the creators of the Lumenate app, trusted by over 1 million users worldwide. Developed through thousands of EEG brain scans, Nova's precise flickering light sequences gently guide your mind into a deeply meditative, semi-psychedelic state. Effortlessly unlock blissful relaxation, better sleep, and profound insights, all while immersing yourself in a kaleidoscopic experience created by your own mind.
Stress and sleeplessness affect millions globally. Many have tried traditional meditation apps, but their impact often falls short of expectations. Psychedelic therapies promise transformative change, but are inaccessible or daunting to most. Through our extensive research into the neuroscience of these states, we have created a powerful, accessible, and completely effortless solution. As Lumenate Nova's light array flickers, neurons in your brain fire in response, synchronizing your brainwaves and allowing us to gently guide you into a state of consciousness shown by leading universities to have key neurological and subjective similarities to both psychedelic states and to states achieved by highly experienced meditators. Alongside the awe-inspiring closed-eye visual experience, you'll feel completely immersed in the present moment, quietening racing thoughts and allowing you to relax, de-stress, or fall asleep with ease. To make this state as impactful and enjoyable as possible, we've written and soundtracked a vast library of world-class content, featuring exclusive meditative mixes from iconic artists like John Lennon and guided meditations voiced by our creative director Rosamund Pike. Our sessions not only help you unwind, but also to explore your mind and gain a new perspective, revealing powerful insights.
We created Lumenate to inspire people to live more fulfilling lives. Since launching the app in 2021, we've impacted the well-being of more than 1 million people worldwide, attracting over 10,000 5-star reviews and plenty of press. From day one, however, we received countless requests for hardware to pair with the app, something that meant you didn't have to find a dark space, or you didn't have to hold the phone with the flashlight facing you, or disturb those around you with flickering lights. After countless experiments and design iterations, we've created something that goes far beyond these needs. Lumenate Nova takes your transformative journeys even deeper, unlocking levels of inner exploration and immersive relaxation previously unimaginable. You can be part of the next evolution in mental well-being. Join us today and be among the first to experience Lumenate Nova.